SHASHIBO Shape-Shifting Box Award-winning, patented Fidget Cube W/36 Rare Earth Magnets transforms into over 70 shapes. Download Fun in Motion Toys mobile app. The SHASHIBO Shape-Shifting Box is a patented fidget cube that features 36 rare earth magnets for an innovative design that transforms into over 70 shapes. Benefits. Innovative design. The SHASHIBO Shape-Shifting Box is a unique and innovative toy that provides hours of mind-challenging fun. Quality build. The cube is durably constructed of premium injection mold plastic, 36 rare earth magnets, and a tear-proof, matte, or high-gloss surface. Stress relief. The calming, therapeutic effect of the cube can soothe away stress and nerves. Drawbacks. Price. The SHASHIBO Shape-Shifting Box is relatively expensive compared to other puzzle toys. Difficulty. The cube can be challenging to fold back into its original shape, which may frustrate some users. Overall, the SHASHIBO Shape-Shifting Box is a fascinating toy that encourages creativity and imagination. It's a great gift for puzzle enthusiasts and can help reduce screen time. However, it is relatively expensive and may not be suitable for everyone. If you're looking for a unique and challenging sensory toy, the SHASHIBO Shape-Shifting Box could be a great choice. The price of the original series, Blue Planet, is $25 on Amazon.